Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss one of the advanced Excel charts, which is funnel chart. So what is a funnel chart? A funnel chart is used to depict the drop in data from one phase to another. Now you must be wondering what it is. So let's see this in this example. Here is a funnel chart in front of you. This funnel chart belongs to an e-commerce company. So as you see, the first starts with the main website, the e-commerce website. The customer comes here and then few customers go to the product page and then a few customers go to the cart and then a more fewer customers actually buy the product. So as you can see, the funnel chart beautifully depicts how the user flows through your websites and finally buys the product. Let's see how can we make this in Excel. So we'll start by first adding the extra spaces. You'll see shortly why we do this. In order to do so, we'll apply a formula. This function actually helps us find the largest value, and we use here 1 because we want the highest value. Now we subtract D25 and then divide by 2, and then we stretch this formula along other cells. Great. Now let's see how to make this. Simply select the columns and then go to insert. We'll be inserting the horizontal stack chart. As you can see, this seems to be an opposite pyramid. You need an inverted pyramid. So let's see how can we do this. We'll be doing this by going to the format axis option. We'll be putting categories in a reverse order, and there it is. Now all we need to do is just to remove this blue area. We'll be going to format data series and then selecting the option for no fill. Great. Now the gap here is a lot, so we will be decreasing that too. There you go. Now it has started to look a lot like a funnel chart. So now what more do we need? We just need to do a bit of a formatting. We'll go here and then we'll add the data labels. I don't require the grid lines, so I'll also be removing these. Great. And I'll also be removing these along with the chart title. You can also add the boundaries here, which will make it look good. We'll be selecting the border as solid line. Now there you go. You have your first funnel chart ready. Thank you for watching this video.